Hi guys, just in my shed that I've built, which I'm going to put up a video of. I went and purchased an old Hardinge vintage lathe the other day, and well, a little while ago actually, not the other day, and I'm just going to try and restore it. I know absolutely nothing about lathes, but I bought this one because it comes with all the attachments. It's got everything. It's got screw cutting attachment. Put that on and it like goes out with the bed. Attaches onto the other side of this. I've got the motors. I've got everything. It's got the slim rear stock or tail stock as they call it, I think. But any of these wheels, I have absolutely no idea whatsoever what they are. So I really do need your help. I know they're gear cutting, thread cutting gears, but I've got so many things here. I know this is like a sharpening stone on another fitting attachment, but I don't know absolutely nothing about anything really, and I want to learn. And they've got these wheels that have got all these little holes and measurements on. I'll take it that's for like threads. Even these, I don't even know what these are for. So I've got loads of cutters. There's the motor and the switch. There's the bed. I've got extra chuck teeth with it, or jaws. I've got this attachment. I mean, I have absolutely no idea what these are, but they've got all like little holes in them. I presume it's something to do with threading. I know that's a back plate there. I know that much. I know what that is. That's just to keep the long work steady. There's another back plate. I mean, look at this little chuck. It's fantastic, that is. Absolutely fantastic. And it comes with all these extra little cutters that are all extras. If you look on Practical Machinist, I think it's called, they've got pictures of the old one on there. I mean, got a couple of chucks with it for the tail stock. Also got some like cutting wheels that are in there. Let me move this out of the way. We also got two big ammo boxes. There's one there, it's like a big World War II ammo box, which has got loads of stuff in it. And then there's another box under this motor, which it's got another ammo box, which has got loads of stuff in it. I know you can't see it there, but that's what that's sitting on. But yeah, it's got this part here, which slides in and out. I don't know what this does. That slides that way. It attaches onto the lathe somewhere, but yeah, I know that's a rest, and it's got a smaller rest as well somewhere. But I mean, the amount of stuff I got with it. The guy's had it 40 years, and he said he bought it off of a guy that had it from new. And I think this is a 1919 Hardinge Cataract lathe. I might have it written on here or something. No, it's not written on there at all. Maybe these are not the original. I think the original ones had Cataract written on them. Maybe it was after they bought Cataract out. Yeah, but wow. amazed by all this stuff. I mean, it was advertised. It was on there for quite a while. This is like the I think it's like a turret, is it? Attachment. Holds 6 tools. I think one of those is snapped in there, and one of these is missing there. So I might try and find one. Probably one around somewhere here. But that needs. You pull this lever down here, and it spins round. Like you can turn it. So yeah, guys. I'm going to set it up here. I'm just trying to get, because I've just built this shed, right, which you will see. I'll show you outside. Which I'm just finishing off the outside. I've just put the roof on, which is. But I've just felted the roof. I've just got to finish off the edges, but it started to rain here in sunny London, so I needed to get that on quick. I need to go around and pin all the outsides, but I've just going to ready to wire up the rest of the lights. I've got 4 in here already, but I'm going to have another one on the end now, and another 4 down here, another 1 there, and then 3 up on the ceiling. Because I'm going to keep the lathe here in the corner. If you think there's a better place, please give me a message, because I don't really know how to set up a workshop. But there's going to be a light up on the wall there, shining directly down onto the lathe, which is yeah, I'm so pleased with that. Absolutely over the moon. Because when I first bought it, I wasn't sure if it had screw cutting ability, because I thought it did, because it advertised that it had screw cutting gears, and I thought, oh, I can't see the screw along the bed to draw the bed backwards and forwards, whatever these are called. I keep forgetting the names. So I thought, right, it's not got any screw cutting ability. Then I was looking at the old one online on Practical Machinist, and it showed an old picture with this attachment on it, and I thought, right, it has got screw cutting ability. So I'm absolutely, seriously, I can't wait to get this set up and working. But as I said a million times, I do need your help, people, because I know 0 about lathe work, and I want to start getting into it. The guy showed me it working quickly. It's got like the old belts there with a pin goes through it. He even gave me the machine, the tool, to do these belts, the pins on the belts. There's no pins extras with it, but I've got loads of belts somewhere. But I don't think there's any more pin stuff. Yeah, so this, I'll show you where the what's it called connects onto. That's where that bar connects onto there. The screw cutting bar goes onto there, and it connects onto this headstock here. And then when that turns, it winds it in with this. But I still don't even know how to. I can get it on the bracket there, which it goes on now, but I can't connect it to the gears here. I'm not sure how to do it. But anyway, I'm just clearing the floor, because I've literally just built this, and I'm going to put a bit of timber down there, and I'm going to try and. It's got nowhere to bolt, so I need to get some brackets to bolt this to the floor. But if you can let me know, is in the corner not a good idea, or should I have it out more in the sort of further out? Because I want it directly under a light, which is there. So would I move it sort of to there, or will it be all right in the corner, or will I'll put another machine in the corner somewhere? All right. All this was built by myself, by the way, which I'm going to put up loads and loads of photographs. And yeah, can't wait to get it done. As soon as it's done, as soon as it's fitted, I'll put another video up, and I'll ask questions like, this is number one, what's this for? And hopefully people will help me. But yeah, wow. This is like 100 years old. It's absolutely amazing. I mean, the machine, the tooling with it. It's got like tons of cutters. Right, look at this tool rest here. You've got a long tool rest here. And you've got a shorter tool rest here. You've got spare jaws. Look. I don't even know what these are for. I know this is made by your man, whoever done it. I think that was part of like a scribe block or something. But I'll have a look because there's some sticks and things in there, so I will have a look what it is. See if it's like a scribe block or something like that. And I'm like this, I don't know what this is. Let me see if I can get this stuff out of there. They've done two tailstocks. They've done a bigger one and a thinner one. I think this is the later one, which was the thinner one. Just put that on there quickly. Hold on a sec, sorry. But yeah, and I think this is look. Just going to show you inside this box. I took a lot of the stuff out. I think these are like milling blades. From I think it's the BSA Tools. BSA Tools Limited. That's what it says on there. I know you can't see it. There you go, BSA Tools Limited. So if you've heard of those, I don't know what this one says. That one says something else on it. W. Ward and Sons, Sheffield Limited. W. Ward and Sons and BSA. That's just a pencil. Well, this, I don't even know what this one's for. I don't know, it's all the gears, but let me get this out. It needs a good clean as well. So I'll have to clean it up one day, get it all sorted. I mean, look, that's just a plate what he made. There's this attachment. I don't know if that fits on that lathe, but it's just amazing. I think the guy said it's just some parts from another lathe. That's homemade. That's homemade, I think. Or is it? I don't know. You've got this one here. I mean, what are all these? I haven't even got a clue. I don't even know what this is. It's got like a little pin on it. I don't know what that is. Not got a clue. think that's a clamp. It's like all these sort of things. That's like a million cutter. This, I think that's a homemade tool. Oh, wow, man. I don't know what these are. They look modern. That's homemade. That's a nice little brush there. That's an old brush. Got another chuck. Just loads of little things. A lot of homemade stuff. Don't know what that is. Little punches. Like a bush. That looks. No, that's not homemade. I'll say that's. It's just hundreds of stuff. It's just stuff everywhere. Literally got stuff everywhere. I think that's homemade. That's homemade, I'd say. Is it? I don't know. That's a cutter, look. That's a big cutter on there. That's a block of some kind. I mean, I think that'll go on one of the wheels, or maybe, I don't know. Big buffing wheel. Oh, another one of these little cutters. Oh, another one. No, they're not cutters, are they? Well, I think that one is. That's definitely a cutter. I think that's a gear. And that's definitely a cutter. That's a milling cutter. Seriously, I'm like, take it, that's the old spanner for it. There's just everything. I mean, don't get me wrong, I know a lot of this is going to be just stuff what he's made. I think he's made a lot of these sort of punch things. That's one of the bars to hold it under the bed, I think. No. That goes one of these or something. Yeah, there's a nut. I don't know if that fits on that one, does it? No. Oh, tiny little nut. I love it though. I mean, that's an old box. I'll probably throw it away. Yeah. I think that's homemade. Look at these big old drill bits. And even they must be money. No, they're not free, nothing free, is it? But I was going to buy one of them little Chinese ones. But then I thought, is that another one of those? Second one. Or the same one. But then I thought, no, let me get a second hand one. must something to do with the stock. Yeah. There's number 1 on it, I think, does it? Or what is that? And what is that? I haven't got a clue. No, it's not. I think that's a screw it holds. That's a cutter on there. I think that goes on a handle, but it's been used to punch stuff. You can see with the hammer marks. Look at that little brush. Amazing. Oh, there was 2, yeah. There was 2 clamps. Thought I see 2. Thought I was going mad. That's meant to have a little foot on it like that one though. Maybe I could make one day. We'll see. Now is that one of the cutters that make a keyway, or is it like a gear? It doesn't look like a cutter. It looks like more of a gear. But in that end, I don't know. No, it's not a cutter. Little things here that's been turned. Got a nice brass thing there that's been made. Out of brass. I mean, I know a lot of this is handmade, but I'll show you what's in the other box. Put some of this stuff away. No, I'll leave that on now. No, I'll put this in there. I've got to clean it up. Now, I don't know if that's off that lathe because the handles don't look too big compared to the other handles. But I'll tell you what, I love this little machine, and I've not even used it yet. So, wow. Let me just one second, sorry. Put this on there. Here's the other little one. That's an old ammo box. There's loads of belts for it. Let me get this out because this is, 1 second, let me put the phone down a sec. Sorry about that. This is like belts and stuff. There's that machine. Oh, that's heavy, that is. Oh. Let's get some room. I think they should go in there somewhere. No, maybe not. Yeah, that's the machine for it. You put them these bits in there. He did explain to me how it, well, he said he's never used it, but because he's got no lengths, but you put that in there, and then you like, boom, slam it down. And that weighs a ton, that is. That's a nice tool. I love that. Don't even know how to use it. And look, there's more of these. Got some rods here, not sure what they're for. Just some bits of rod. There's a few bits of that. I don't know what that metal's for. And then there's some more handmade stuff, I think. That's not handmade, it's a nice little knob there. It's like an outside chuck key. That's just handmade. Don't know what that is, if anyone knows. Is it a steady something? That's a big old cutter. That's definitely not for there. Definitely 100%. It's, oh, I mean, look at that. How beautiful that is. Whatever it is, that is absolutely beautiful. But yeah, I'm gonna have it all. I'm gonna try and get some old metal vintage cabinets, and I'm gonna probably put them up on the wall, fix them to the wall, and have a lot of it sort of not on display, but out of the boxes. But yeah, there's just, I mean, what's this? I don't think that's handmade. That's quite, it could be. I wouldn't say so though, but I still don't know what it is. What's this? What are these? I think that's another for the keep thing. The steady. Does that go in the towel stock? Or no. So I think that's for a different size one. I think that's for, I'm not sure what that's for. Right, another one there. So there's two different sizes. Yep. I just don't know. Anyway, people, please tell me what they're for. I mean, this attachment, I know that's got to be for something to do with screw cutting, I suppose. But got that wheel. It's got little holes in them. Don't know what that's for. Don't know what that's for. So, all right. Please like and subscribe, and you'll get an update when I get this fitted. And get the motor on, start getting it working. All right. Cheers. Thank you.